Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Lindbergh, and this is my project for Global IS Studies. This is for big data and specifically big data in Japan. So what is big data? Big data is defined as data that has a larger variety, increasing volumes, and increased velocity, and has a larger variety. Big data, as I mentioned just now, is split up into the three V's, which are variety, volumes, and velocity. In itself, big data is the data that is so large, fast, and complex that typically mean that the typical means of analyzing data is not possible, and hence different techniques are implemented. I want to talk about the three V's. And so the first V is volume. Volume pertains to the amount of data that is collected. The data can be collected through various means, such as IoT devices, such as industrial equipment, videos, images, social media, and many other aspects. The next V is velocity. Velocity refers to the speed at which data is sent and received within a business. Some examples include RFID tags, sensors, and smart meters. Next V is variety. Variety refers to the types of formats the data comes in. This can stem from numeric data in databases to unstructured text documents, emails, videos, and many other features. So who is using big data? Big data is used in many industries around the world. Some of the major sectors that use this data include banking and securities, communications, healthcare providers, education, manufacturing and natural resources, the government, insurance, retail and wholesale, and many other industries. So why are they using big data? Many of these companies implement big data to improve operations, improve customer satisfaction, personalize marketing ventures, and other actions that require large amounts of data and speed. A big contributor is that it cuts down on time and saves money and can additionally increase revenues and profits. So where is big data being used? As of 2020, the major countries that are leading the implementation of big data are the United States, Germany, and the United Kingdom. There are, however, many other countries that have implemented this technology, such as Japan, China, South Korea, Russia, India, and many more. So when is big data being used? Big data was first introduced as early as the 1990s and was generally credited to John R. Massey to have been the individual to create it. Big data has been progressing rapidly ever since. For this topic, I want to talk about how big data is being used to solve issues in Japan. So for this country, I wanted to choose Japan, and it's been noted to be using big data as a means to improve their infrastructure. The plan is to improve the infrastructure and use the data to improve connection speeds and boost the availability of cell phone coverage to allow for communications to be more readily available. The topic aids in solving the issue listed in the Goal 9 of Sustainable Development and Goals of Industry, Innovation, and Infrastructure. Allowing this big data to develop in Japan will aid in the creation of better infrastructure and promote stronger connections to aid in communication between individuals. The next thing I would like to talk about is the two truths and a lie. So the first one is, by 2025, it is expected that the world will contain around 181 zettabytes. The next one is Japan is one of the 3 leaders in big data. And the last one is Japan is planning on using big data to improve infrastructure. For this, the lie was Japan is one of the 3 leaders in the big data. While this is necessarily true, Japan is still a strong contributor and provides many features and many benefits with the implementation of big data. That's all I have, and thank you.